Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap and unwrap Zano. So it's very simple to do, and to do this you need to head on over to wrapped.zano.org, and you'll also require a Ethereum wallet. So first things first, I'm going to be using MetaMask, which is an Ethereum web-based wallet. So you can go ahead and sign in to your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that supports Ethereum. Then what you want to do is import a token, custom token, and as you can see, it requires a token contract address. And to get this, you just want to go to this page and click smart contract here. And you'll see on the right-hand side other info, and you can find the wrapped Zano or WZANO, the token contract here. And you can copy it here, and we can go ahead and add it again. Go to the MetaMask wallet, import tokens, custom token, and then paste it in there. And as you can see, it will automatically detect the token symbol. Click next and import. And then you'll get this notification saying you've successfully imported WZANO. And here it is here. So now what you can do is copy your address, your Ethereum address, head over to your Zano wallet. It can be mobile or desktop. Click send. Enter the address from your Ethereum wallet. Enter the amount. For this video, I'm going to do 2 Zano. And as you can see here, you get this little notification box here that tells you this transaction will create WZANO, Wrap Zano, which will be sent to a specified address on the Ethereum network. Once that's done, select your asset and click send. Okay, now you can see I've received the Wrap Zano into my wallet. Now I'm going to show you how to unwrap it back into Zano. So you want to go into this website, wrapped.zano.org, click Open App. Then you want to connect to wallet. If it doesn't show up, just go ahead and find your extension. Then you want to click Next, Confirm, and it will connect your wallet. Okay, so once it's connected, you'll see it in the top right-hand corner. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to unwrap all 1.97 Zano. I'm going to unwrap that. So now I just need a wallet address. So for the purpose of this video, I'm sending it straight back to my wallet address. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that there, paste it in, and click unwrap. Okay, so now if I open back my MetaMask wallet, it's requesting access to transfer. So as you can see the details here, I'm just going to go ahead and click confirm, and it's processing. Okay, now if I go back into my MetaMask wallet, you can see that it is taking the gas from Ethereum, as you can see there, 0.2, and it has unwrapped all my Zano. And success, as you can see here, the transaction went through to unwrap my Zano. Now it will take some time before it actually gets back into my Zano wallet due to the confirmations of Ethereum, but it shouldn't be long. And as you can see, I have just received the Zano back into my desktop wallet.